Question 5. Every month, Raju receives sources of income from his fixed salary as a sales officer, house rental, and online sales. So he has a salary here, house rental we call it Y, and online sales Z. His totally monthly salary is 20,000. So X plus Y plus Z will be 20,000. Okay. If 500 ringgit is added to his monthly salary, it will be twice the total income from house rental and online sales. Okay. So they said if 500 ringgit is added to his monthly salary, so 500 plus X, it will be twice the total income from house rental and online sales. So equals to twice the income of house rental, which is Y, and online sales Z. Okay. Then the total monthly salary and online sales income is twice the house rental income. So monthly salary is X, online sales Z. So X plus Z is twice the house rental income, which is Y. Right. So these are our three equations. So from here we can solve lah. Right. So what we can do is we can try to expand this part. So this will be 2y plus 2z. Okay, what else can we do? That's about it lah. Okay, so what we do is we try to make x the subject from here. Then we sub it into equation 2 and 3. So we say from equation 1, x equals to 20,000 minus y minus z. So this will be equation 1a. Right. So now we have that. We can sub equation 1a into equation 2 and sub this into equation 3. So if we sub this into the x here, we will get 500 plus 20,000 minus y minus z equals to 2y plus 2z. Then we sub this into this x, we will get 20,000 plus z equals to 2y. Okay. Now we try to expand and simplify. 500 plus 20,000 is 20,500. Alamak. Then minus y, then we bring the 2y here. So minus y minus 2y. Here will be minus z minus 2z equals 0. Okay. So this will give us negative 3y. And this will give us negative 3z equals to, this one we bring over there, will be negative 20,500. So the whole thing we can multiply by negative to make everything positive lah. So this will be positive, positive, positive. We call this equation 5. Alright. Over here, we can do the same. So negative y, 2y we bring it over here, becomes negative 2y. And then negative z plus z cancels off, equals to 20,000, we bring it over that side, becomes negative 20,000. So negative 3y is negative 20,000. Therefore y is 20,000 over 3. Okay, negative, negative, we cancel off lah. Alright, so 20,000 over 3. 6,666.66. 0.67. Alright, so y is this much. Now we go ahead and find the rest. We have y here, we can sub it into here and find z. So 3y plus 3z is 20,500. So 3z will be 20,500 minus 3 times 6666.67. So we get 499.99, which is 500 ringgit lah. So z will be 500 divided by 3. 166.67. Okay, now that we have z and y, we can find x. X is this. So x is 20,000 minus these two. Minus 6666.67 minus 166.67. So 20,000 minus 666.67. 13166.66. Done. So we can say x is 13,166.66. Y is 666.67 and z is 166.67. So this will be his total income lah. Okay, so his monthly salary, his fixed salary is 13,000 plus. House rental will be 6,000 and online sales will be 166. Done.